My bird has an addiction to... He has an addiction to porn. He's a serial masturbator. My bird fucks his rope every day. He is raw dogging this rope at 9 in the morning, sometimes 7 in the morning. 7 in the morning was early spring. That's how I knew spring was coming to Chicago. But otherwise, 9 in the morning, this bird is... I can't do work because my bird is fucking rope. Little tweeter, man. I need you to not fuck the rope for daddy, please. I'm on a business call. I don't need my fucking boss asking me, who's ringing bells behind you?